Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something incredibly exciting to share with you. We'll be taking a closer look at the Vidcastive Mini Spy Camera, a true marvel of surveillance technology that fits in the palm of your hand. If you are a tech geek, I invite you to subscribe to my channel to test with me the latest gadgets on the market. Alright, it's unboxing time. Let's dive in and see what's inside the Vidcastive Mini Camera package. First up, the package includes a convenient EF card reader. Next, we find the camera holder, which will allow you to easily position the camera for the best angles. Here we have the USB charging cable, and here we have the Vidcastive Mini Wireless Camera. Look at how compact and sleek it is, perfect for discreet surveillance. And of course, we have the detailed user manual. This will be your guide for setting up and using your Vidcastive camera. With the Vidcastive Mini Spy Camera, you get all the tools you need for seamless installation and operation. This mini camera is equipped with a long-lasting 3000 mAh rechargeable battery, which can continuously record for up to 19 hours on a single charge. But wait, there's more. With its innovative low-power technology, you can enable the deep sleep mode to extend the battery life to 30 days, depending on how often the PIR sensor is triggered. And get this, it can even stay in a remote shutdown state for an astonishing 100 days. So, let's get this camera up and running to experience its incredible 4K Ultra HD video, smart AI human detection, and impressive night vision. To get started, all you need to do is download the OCOM app from Google Play or the App Store. Once you've got the app, turn on the camera. Create an account with your email. You will receive the confirmation code in your email. You can set a password or tap skip like me. Tap add and scan the QR code in the camera. And here, tap next. Select your Wi-Fi and insert the password of your Wi-Fi and tap next. Scan this QR code with the lens of camera. Here, give a name to the camera and tap next. Tap next. Now the camera is online, and you can control it from anywhere. No wires, no fuss, and no professional knowledge required. This camera supports micro SD cards up to 256 GB, or you can use the cloud storage. The Vidcastive Mini Camera captures stunning 4K Ultra HD live video with its 160-degree angle lens. That means you'll never miss a single detail of the room you're recording, even in tight spaces. It's like taking a big step back to capture more of your surroundings. This tiny camera is perfect for indoor security and even a bit of spying if you're feeling like a secret agent. The Vidcastive camera has invisible night vision that kicks in as soon as it's dark enough. It can capture subjects up to 26 feet away, all without any obvious red lights that might give away its presence. The best part, the recorded video in night vision mode is crystal clear black and white. In conclusion, after testing numerous mini cameras, I can confidently say that the Vidcastive Mini Spy Camera is truly the best of the best. This little gadget is a game changer in the world of surveillance technology. That's all for today, folks. Thanks for joining me on this tech journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting reviews and tech adventures.